Congratulations for upgrading your account to a Pro Plus. Now that you have upgraded your account and you have a custom domain name, you can set up to 10 custom domain name emails. And how to do that, you just go log into WebStarts here, and at the dashboard, click on this email icon. Here, you're going to be prompted with the username and password the first time to be able to log in. If you don't want to see this again, you just click this checkbox. So let's just copy this information here and click Continue to get to the login screen. Here, you put in the information that we provided for you. And now you have your email inbox right here for the one account that we set up for you. But let's say you want to create additional email accounts. That's really easy to do. From this screen right here, if you just click on this bottom right corner that says Manage This Domain, click on it and it opens up another window where it allows you to create additional users. Here I have 3 users, and let's say I want to create a 4th one. And for you guys, this might be your 2nd, 3rd, how many ever, but you would click on this one right here and it'd take you to another screen. This here is a listing of all the accounts that have been created within this particular account. So let's go about the process of creating another one here. If you click on this Create New User button right here, I have the ability to add the first name, last name, and then the email address that I want to provide for this particular account. So let's provide a Contact Us one. So I'm creating the email address, Contact Us, at the domain name. Okay. I have the ability now to either create a temporary password that allows the person to, it'll generate a email, and then the customer or person will change it later, or you can set it for them by clicking on Set Password. Let's go ahead and set the password. All right, and just go ahead and click on this Create New User. All right. Once this window comes up, you have 2 options here that you can go about giving the information to the person that you create the email for. You can email the instructions by clicking on this button right here, and you can send it straight to them, which provides them the information to be able to log into the account. The other option is you can print out the instructions and give it to them as well. Here you can also create another user or just click Done, and now I have a listing of all the new users, including the Contact Us here. Okay. If I ever want to go about changing any of this, I can go about clicking on this, and here I can actually reset the password for them by changing the password. All right? I can suspend the user, and I can also delete this user if I want to. So be advised that anytime you want to make changes to the listing of all the emails that are within the account, it has to be with the one that we provided you the first time, the administrator one. So let's go back out to the last page here, and you'll see which one that is, with the site status being Super Administrator. Now, let's log into this account for the first time. When you log in for the first time with a website, or I'm sorry, with an email address you just created, you have to agree to the terms and conditions provided. You'll be presented with a CAPTCHA, and then you have to accept it. So let's do that. And then from here, I can just click on this email icon. And there you go. This is the new inbox for the email address we just created. And you can do this up to 10 times. For more helpful tips and tricks on, more helpful tips and tricks on building your website with WebStarts, please visit www.webstarts.com.